I patented a diet that I'm trademarking it eventually. Intermediate fasting is basically a college student diet because you can't afford to eat multiple times a day. So you have to eat 1 or 2 meals a day, usually 1 meal a day. Is it intermediate fasting or is it actually just a college student diet? But the other diet, maybe I'll call it like the filter diet. That thing is so disgusting. The AC unit filter. The AC unit that we have is so disgusting and so old that to completely lose my appetite, all I have to do is go up to it and open it and look at the filter. My appetite is gone. And you're like, why didn't you fix it? Why didn't you? The thing is no longer made. It's no longer in stores. We have asked them to replace the filter so many times. So the best that we can do is just
not ever turn it on.
I hate this apartment. Dancing on a rooftop, top of the world tonight. Ooh, I can fit through the door with this. Japanese made, obviously. Is this what Columbus colonized and enslaved and raped people? Is this? We're in one of the biggest cities in North America. Sort of. Atlanta's pretty big, right? They call it the south of the LA of the South. That's a huge pile of baking soda. It really looks like we have a crack problem. And we do. Cracks where beetles like to crawl out of it, where the wall is supposed to connect to the floor and it doesn't. So in that case, it's a crack problem. We do not have a cocaine problem, nor do we have a drug problem. My cousin said if you put the baking soda, the bugs will disappear. And then the exterminator asked us what was going on here, and I was like, I put Irish soap, you know, and he was probably like, God, I hate TikTok. But he didn't say anything about the Irish soap and the baking soda. He did say this is probably full of bugs. I don't even want to touch it, to be honest. I don't even like kneeling by it, to be honest. We will get it in unit laundry next time. Do you know why I'm filming this? So I can show my future children, like, this is what I went through to be able to provide for you. So it's another step. It's not the I biked 5 miles to work, although I do. I actually biked back in the rain today. I do. I'm just saying, I tried to hang the clothes outside to dry because I love a clothesline. In a good way, I freaking love using a clothesline. So I was hanging our clothes outside and then the landlord was like, you can't. Exactly like that. And I was like, bro, the other neighbors do it and you don't say anything though. Okay? Rude. She has more work clothes. Are you freaking kidding me? We go through laundry very quickly. Stop it! We go through laundry very quickly. Having in unit is my dream. Is my only dream right now. Or just having a place that would let us use a clothesline, to be honest, would just help a lot. I have so much rice and beans. I put some cumin, put some salt, put some butter, put some garlic. Actually, I forgot the garlic. I need to add that. I had some cheese because we have this left. It's some of the only food we have left. But it hit so much. And I will never get sick of eating it. Like, yeah, it'd be nice to have pad thai sometimes. But, like, rice and beans always hits. Also, the protein in it is phenomenal. And you can't tell me otherwise. Why am I, like, feeling this? I either have way too much confidence or I have a little bit of like the messy bun, like divorced ex-wife and like the twin sister trap. It's giving Meredith. It's actually not. I'm gonna do my night routine. Allie's gonna get home and I'm gonna brag about how I didn't cook or do anything that I was supposed to do. But tomorrow's my day off and then I go back to work again because I'm working OT this week and she's working OT this week. But you know, I think I needed like an hour or two to just veg out because I've been going all week. I have sat watching YouTube for the past 2 hours and I told myself that I was gonna get homework done. I did not get homework done. But what I realize works with me is I'll tell myself to get homework done and I don't get homework done. I clean the apartment. And then when I'm like, I need to clean the apartment, instead what I do is I get homework done or scholarship applications done. So I kind of like can trick myself with that. But anyways, laundry's done. I'm sitting here watching YouTube for a while, but I got an idea for a vlog. Raw and unedited. Nothing cutesy, nothing added to it. It's just gonna be straight footage, yo. Because I'm a little bit lazy, because I'm a little bit short on time this week for a video, But I also really want to do this because it's giving old YouTube. It's giving how YouTube used to be, you know? And I'm feeling nostalgic for that. But I'm going to go put glasses on because I actually can't see anything right now. I took out my contacts and then I don't know where my glasses are, so I'm going to go find them. For safety purposes, I don't want you to know the full layout of my apartment though, because where are my glasses? So I feel like people are like, oh my God, don't you want a motorcycle? And I'm like, yes, that would be easier for a number of ways, but I'm honestly not upset about it because the thing is, not only does it teach me to appreciate this way when I finally do get it, but also because I do enjoy biking. Like I do enjoy having my little alone time, listening to my tunes at the end of a long day. And I highly recommend biking to work, or not only because is it better for the planet, it's better for you. One day, Eileen and I laugh about this all the time. One day we will look back on it and realize that now we don't have options. In the future, we'll have options to take the motorcycle or take the bike. And the bike will be reserved for just Sundays with Yubiramia when we go out to get a coffee. It's not going to be to get to work. And I'm like desperately pedaling. My thighs hurt. Oh my God. Y'all, I want to gossip about our apartment. This light, we have replaced it multiple times. They all were off at one point. Like, they look cute, right? But this light, like, they always die. We got a bunch of hair products from Allie's coworkers, which is like the sweetest thing ever, because I was like, God, we have nothing. Like, we moved here, we got rid of a lot of stuff, you feel me? So we moved here and we didn't have like anything that we needed, just like beauty wise even, you know what I mean? We didn't have a shower curtain, all these things that you don't think about until you move to a completely new bare apartment that also doesn't have in-unit laundry, and you're like, bro. Her coworker, I was thinking about like, man, we don't even have like beauty products like lotion, we're just gonna be like ashy and gross this summer, and my hair's a lot drier since we moved here, and I was like, I just, you know, it is what it is. Shut up about it. Don't talk about it. If you're not going to fix it, don't complain. But then a week or so later, after I kind of had this thought, and I was kind of talking to God, like, can we get some lotion up in here? Like, we gave everything away to move here. We really moved here on a whim, feeling like in faith, like we had to do it. And Allie's like, hey, like, my coworker gave me, like, she had like this little mini bucket of like this hair stuff. We're very much in the middle of something, as you can see. I have to hydrate this so much. It is looking so dry, but y'all, can you see the vein development? I actually hate vein. I just spent like the past 2 days vegging out and just sitting so much and eating all the junk food. But I feel like my refeed days and like rest days are kind of whatever day I can get off. Because like the whole week I'll just like go. And then tomorrow's technically my Sabbath day, but I actually like to run on Sundays sometimes. Let's do maybe a little bit of a face mask as well. I act as if I'm not the one that has been eating chocolate and very low quality like Dollar Tree chocolate for the past week and a half. The luteal phase truly is the only villain I'm fighting against in daylight savings times. I think you should be proud of me for the fact that, I mean, I do be wearing pretty much all Adidas, but my like Delta fleece hoodie, I did wear it today at work, but it was a clean one. It was a new one, because we own like 4 or 5 of them. So I just want to acknowledge that, because I've worn that for probably the past like 3 videos or so. So, you know, these are not even. I think I'm gonna go to bed. I'm burnt out for the past 2 hours of relaxing and doing nothing. But it was a long day of work. It was a long week in general. So I'm gonna say my Sabbath starts now, the night before. I think that's what Hebrews do. It's like they start in Hebrew in, what is the word? Not Hebraic. Why can't I think of the word? And that, is that my earring? Oh my God. In Hebraic tradition, I'm probably saying that wrong. The day starts the night before instead of the morning of. And I kind of like that. I listened to a pastor that. What's up with the ISO? I don't care enough. There's nobody here. I just gave myself a heart attack. This tripod is so broken, bro. My mom says I'm balding, and probably am. It'll be fully charged, and then, oh, I look like Hagrid. That's so cute. Oh my God. Sugar, but I got this because I have not eaten anything green in probably 4 days. So, these are my biking shorts. Those definitely need to be washed. Grab your friends and you grab a couple more and you take them out in the middle of the floor. Act right. Stop acting a fool. Me to myself. This one is from Dollar Tree, from your glasses. It came off like a granny pair of glasses. I found it randomly. My parents were throwing away all this stuff when they were moving to Atlanta, and I was like, yo, this has some potential. It fits around my neck twice. Strangulation, but make it fashion. Guess who should be doing, that's a flattering angle. Guess who should be doing her econ homework? Guess who's not doing her econ homework? Actually, that's a lie, I'm ahead in econ. I was just gonna get more ahead. I could, I have an essay for my Easy 2 credit class. But it actually fits pretty good, and it used to be like gold. It's not anymore. I'm gonna keep wearing it until it like breaks and rusts off my neck, or I will be at the phase where all my I was gonna fall off the stream. I will be at that phase where all my jewelry will be gold and like not rust in the shower and whatever all these rappers talk about. But to be honest, I kind of like when it just like rusts and falls off you, because like I like using my things until they're very used up.